Imagine a camera the size of a key, but it carries the spirit of old-school photography with all its charm. From the legendary Kodak company, the Charmera returns, a miniature digital camera that combines nostalgia with modern design. Its eye-catching colors, compact size, and fun way of shooting have made it the talk of camera enthusiasts around the world. Can this tiny camera bring back the joy of classic photography? Let's find out together. Kodak Charmera. It's a small, keychain-sized digital camera launched by Kodak in partnership with Redo. It's typically sold in blind boxes, so you never know which design you'll get when you buy it. The camera is designed to capture the vintage spirit of photography, particularly its inspiration from the Kodak Fling, a disposable camera released in 1987. Why this camera is worth talking about? Because it combines artistic flair with nostalgia. Its small size, colorful design, and vintage-style filters and frames make it an exciting piece as a unique photography tool or as a collector's item. Also, being sold in a blind box adds an element of surprise and excitement when you open it. This small camera is a kind of lo-fi digital toy camera. It's not a professional camera, but rather a fun tool for capturing everyday moments in a unique and limited edition way. Technical specifications. Here's a detailed look at what's inside this little camera. Items specifications. Resolution. Still images, approximately 1.6 megapixels, 1440 by 1080. Sensor. Approximately 1/4 inch CMOS. Lens. 35mm equivalent lens with a fixed aperture of approximately f2.4 or f2.8, depending on the source. Video. Approximately 1440 by 1080 video recording at 30 frames per second. Built-in filters and frames. 7 black and white, cool, warm, and color pixel filters. Yellow, red, blue, and gray. There are also 4 digital frames added to the image to give it an old-fashioned, artistic look. Memory. Micro SD card slot. May support micro SD-HC or micro SD-XC. Memory is usually not included. Internal storage is very limited. You may only be able to save 1 or 2 photos without a card. Power battery. Built-in rechargeable battery, charged via USB-C port. Dimensions and weight. Approximate. Port transfer. USB-C port for transferring photos and videos from the camera to a computer or other devices. Design and appearance. The camera comes in 7 colorful designs, including classic colors such as yellow, red, blue, gray, and the transparent ghost version. Materials. Mostly lightweight plastic. A keyring slot or attachment to a bag or key makes it easy to carry. The rear screen is simple and shallow, displaying the captured image. It is not as sophisticated as other large cameras. Use and functions. Instant shooting. As soon as you press the shutter button, the image is captured and saved directly to the memory or micro SD card. There may be a slight delay depending on the processing. You can choose a specific filter or digital frame to be automatically added to the image. Video. The camera supports 30 FPS video recording, but don't expect high-quality performance. This is intended for short clips to document the moment. File transfer and upload. Thanks to the USB-C port, you can connect the camera to a computer to easily transfer photos and videos. Make sure the micro SD card is supported. Capacity limits may apply. Creative shooting options. Using filters and frames gives you a unique, artistic result without the need for post-processing. The resulting style is often lo-fi, not a pure high-quality image, but rather one with a unique character. Product features. Very small and portable. You can easily carry it with your keys or bag. Aesthetic design. The colors and vintage feel give it a distinctive and attractive feel for personal photography or as a collector's item. Element of surprise. Because it's sold in surprise boxes, there's a thrill in opening them and discovering the design you'll receive. Easy to use. Doesn't require extensive technical knowledge to simply capture photos and videos. Creative. Thanks to filters and frames, it automatically adds an artistic feel to your photos without the need for editing apps.